Hey guys, welcome back. I don't have a tutorial today, but I have to show you this. This is really cool. My parents got this at a garage sale, and well, it's not like I don't know. It was. I think it's cool because it's unique and you don't really see them around much. But yeah, I just thought I'd take a little video of it, show you guys. And I don't claim to own this product, nor do I sell to endorse the company or whatever. But yeah, I'll do a little switcheroo-ski. I don't know how to switcheroo. I'll just turn it around. But yeah, if you see it, it actually looks like a taco shell. But it's actually a book holder. So I thought it was kind of cool. I like to put two things into one instead of just a taco or a book holder. But yeah, I thought it was pretty neat. No, I thought, oh yeah, I was just thinking, I just thought of this. I have my friend James who always comes. Well, I have a few friends, but lately my friend James is coming over. He's pretty cool. What's up, James? He's a pretty cool dude. But yeah, oh, I can't wait. It's gonna be hilarious. I'll probably videotape it too, and I'll put it on YouTube. But yeah, basically, I'm gonna put like taco stuff in it, and then I'm gonna tell him that it's a real taco, and then see if he takes a bite. I don't know. Who knows? Like, I know it's maybe a bit of a long shot because it like doesn't actually feel like a real taco shell, but who knows? Maybe with a bit of luck, he might try and take a bite. That'd be hilarious. He wouldn't bite through it either. It's rock hard. Oh, I probably shouldn't put this video up until after I do it to James, or he'll see it. Oh yeah, I just wanted to show you guys a cool book holder taco shell. Thought that was pretty right on. But yeah, once I prank James, if all goes well, I'll definitely put it on YouTube. But yeah, thanks for watching. I'll have some more interesting videos or essential tutorials up on my YouTube channel soon.